Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Today my contract is existing for the two hospitals, for Konkani and for Margao Hospicio hospital. Till today I have not received any communication that my contract is terminated. Moment it is issued, I will take it to the Supreme Court and take it in the PIL, which is already pending. Now the CBI to investigate it. I filed a PIL in the Supreme Court regarding the corruption in the health department, wherein CBI director is a party to it. Immediately the CBI came and questioned the Director of Health Services in 2014. Followed by that, they started attacking me in all directions. They do a stepmotherly attitude towards my dialysis centers. I obtained a bank loan of 3 crore rupees to put these machines inside the government hospital to save these patients, around 100 of them who are undergoing dialysis with me in 2 centers. The ventilators which are purchased for the corona patients, 200 ventilators, which is 2 lakh rupees, is purchased for 8.5 lakh rupees, is also a scam which is used by the central government funds. Obviously CBI gets a locus standi. I will file an interlocutory application now to include even the ventilator purchase, and the CBI gets a locus standi to investigate it. Frankly speaking, the present health minister is seeing to that I am paralyzed financially as well as in all possible manner, because it is he who is in charge of the corruption, where the CBI is now in the Supreme Court in the PIL.
ताज्या पेशंटाचो ताचेर जीव इतले सगळे त्रास जावन पासून तो खंय पेशंटाचेर बऱ्या तरेन उपचार करता.
कोरा केप्स साकून येता. म्हाका 9 वर्सां जालीं हांगा डायलिसीस घेवपाक लागले आनी म्हाका डायलिसीस करना जाल्यार म्हाका त्रास जाता आनी प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलान वचपाक म्हाज्यान जायना.
9 वर्सां जालीं डायलिसीस कोतिंगा आनी डायलिसीस बरें जाता, दोतोर बरो कॅर घेता आमचे आनी ब्लड बी सगळें घाता, इंजेक्शन बी मारता सोन्ना 3 पाटी.
लिफ्टी लागून त्रास जाता, लायट ना आनी हय चलोन येवपा पडटा.
The doctor is really taking care of us, and if we go somewhere else, I came from Delhi myself. 1.5 months I took the dialysis in Delhi, so I know how the doctors were treating the patient. Being we used to pay there.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.